Hello and welcome to the Invisible Stage Daily, your daily dose of inspiration, tips and tools so you can shine when it matters. My name is Sabine Kvenberg and today's topic is being in the flow. Yesterday, I didn't feel good when I started the day because the day before I put something into my body that wasn't the best, right? And so I woke up with low energy. But then I remembered when that happens, you can quickly recover with some meditation. And that's what I did. And I did a meditation that reminded me of letting go, being in the flow. Oh, that rhymes. Letting go and being in the flow. I know, sometimes I'm a little crazy, but what I wanted to say is that when we let go of the stuff that may not serve us so well and focus on the things that we want, rather than focusing on all the things that bugs us down, focusing on lack, focusing on the things that don't work. Let it go. And then shift it and focus on what you want. So that meditation that I did yesterday morning was a wonderful reminder and it made me feel so good. And then I decided to let go of some of the quote unquote crap that I was carrying with me. And I focused on the things that I wanted. And I got into that feeling because it's utterly important that we feel what we like to see in the future and bring that feeling into our present moment and say, I'm ready to receive. And then just let it happen. Be grateful for what you have right now, which I did. I was grateful for all the things. I focused on the wonderful things. And then I took that feeling that I created through the meditation into my day. And boy, I was surprised, but not surprised, because this is what I'm teaching too. But sometimes we have to experience it ourselves again and again, because we are all human beings, right? And we all have those moments where we have to be reminded on those things that are powerful, the things that work. And wow, all of a sudden, everything seems very natural. And the one thing I was focusing on in particular, it became a reality. I had a couple phone calls, a couple people that were interested in some of the services, but there was one call in particular that evening that I kind of pushed away a little bit because I wasn't quite sure about that particular thing. That's how far I want to go. But I saw a phone call that came in and I said, you know what? I'm going to answer it. And I'm glad I did, because that led to speaking engagement and that led to opening up a couple doors. So here you have it. That's what I wanted to share, is we just have to sometimes let go and be open to receive and just allowing ourselves to be in the flow. And being open for the universe to bring things to us rather than chasing those things. That was my daily dose for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And when you listen on Spotify, make sure you download this episode and watch it to the end, because obviously if you're still here, you did, right? Because it makes a big difference on how Spotify sees this podcast. And remember, master the moments no one sees. To lead the moments everyone remembers.